Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain the costs associated with pressure washing a driveway. Understanding these figures helps you budget effectively for a cleaner home exterior. We'll cover average prices, what influences them, and compare doing it yourself versus hiring a professional. A well-maintained driveway significantly boosts your home's curb appeal and extends its lifespan, making this a worthwhile investment for many homeowners. Several key factors influence the total cost of pressure washing your driveway. The size of your driveway is paramount. A larger area naturally costs more. The material, such as concrete or delicate pavers, dictates the cleaning approach and pressure needed. Heavily stained driveways with oil or deep-seated grime will require more intensive cleaning, adding to the expense. Finally, your specific location can affect labor rates and overall service pricing. When considering pressure washing, you have two main options: doing it yourself or hiring a professional. DIY involves renting equipment, which can cost between $40 and $100 daily, plus $10 to $50 for cleaning solutions. While seemingly cheaper, DIY carries risks like surface damage or injury. Professionals bring industrial-grade equipment, specialized knowledge, and insurance, ensuring a thorough and safe cleaning, often completing the job in 1 to 2 hours. Let's break down the costs and offer some smart tips. Professional services generally charge 20 to 55 cents per square foot. For tougher jobs, power washing, which uses hot water, might cost 30 to 75 cents per square foot. To save money, consider bundling your driveway cleaning with other services, like house washing, from the same company. Also, consistent, light cleaning can prevent severe buildup, making future pressure washing less intensive and more affordable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.